Or this one? Hey, what you doing? What you got? I just can't hardly believe you ate that whole manwich. That was a big old sandwich for such a little guy. Now it's on to the carrots. Yeah. Hey, you'll say hi to Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. What? Can you say it a little louder? He can't hear you. Say hi, Daddy.
Dad.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dad.
That's too sweet. You know how many more days till he'll be home? Huh? 15 more days. That's right. 15 more days. Isn't that exciting? Yes. We got a lot to do, huh?
No?
Yes. We still got a lot of work to do to get ready for Daddy coming home. Got a lot of sleep to catch up on.
Oh.
Well, that's me. You need some help with those carrots? What color is that? Can you say orange? Can you say orange? Very good. Forget the fork. It's too slow. That's okay. You are doing a good job. Look at you go. You actually make carrots look good. Yeah. I mean, not good enough to lick your face clean or nothing. Yes? Yum. Wow, you're really hungry. All that swimming worked up quite an appetite. Tell Daddy how we spent the entire afternoon in the pool. And then we came in and you and I had a bubble bath. Yes! It was so much fun. We hadn't had a bubble bath in weeks. Weeks and weeks. Weeks and weeks. Mm-hmm. There you go. Cue him up on the fork. Whoops. I think you pushed. Can I help? Yeah, let me see your fork. I can help. Here you go. Yeah. There you go. Good job. Careful with that fork. Well, I need to go charge up my phone, so tell Daddy bye-bye. Say I love you. Say I love you, Daddy. Say I love you, Daddy.
Fork.
Yes, that's a fork. Can you say I love you? Say I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You wave to him? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Mwah. Blow him a kiss. Mwah. Oh, good one. Real good one. I love you, Dave.